Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalia and today we're opening a new collection that I purchased. It's the Jeffree Star Blood Money and I'm really excited. I think this is a great collection coming out just in time for Christmas. We gotta have those greens and those reds. If you have the blood sugar palette, you're definitely set for this holiday season. I wanted this collection because I don't know why, but greens, I don't know. It's weird. When I was a kid, I hated the color green. But now that I'm older, I'm okay with it. I think maybe it's because I like Christmas so much. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this. The packaging is kind of fantastic. And you'll see in just a minute. This is gonna be, I think, okay, I know how I need to open this. Every time I get a new collection from Jeffree Star, it's like opening a brand new way of packaging. I think I need to put it down this way. I wish it was a little easier to see. I'm going, I can't really shift it. Oh. So here, I'll put it up like this. And I think just open it up like this. And look at that. It's all Jeffree Star. Money, 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 money. We have the postcard, the hot tub scene. Don't want to show too much of it because it might, you know, YouTube might say there's nudity, whatever. The receipt, and then, dude, look at this tissue paper. There's like 150 rolls of it in here. 1, 2. Alrighty, and we have our first little thing right here. I don't even know what this one is. Is it the liner? Oh no, it's it's lip gloss. I got peach price tag. I really thought this was really pretty even though the pictures were kind of hard to see during his reveal video. And then I got, let's open that up. One of the liners. I wanted to try the formula. I like his lip liners because you can use them as a eyeliner as well, but this is his brand new formula for an eyeliner. And I'm really excited to try this. I got Resting Rich Face. You can see the color right there. And I'm super excited. I got one of the mirrors. I had to get one of the mirrors. Oop. Just opening it up. Nice and easily. It's really nice. I don't know if I showed the emblem. Very, very cool. You can see my lights there. Oh, look at that. A ring light and a mirror light. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I got a mountain of stuff here. Look at this. And then check out the details. This soft matte. I love this feel. I have another soft touch mirror there and I'm going to love this. I'm gonna hang it like right over here. I think that'll be really nice when I set it up. And then the last two main packages. Oh, very nice. Look at that. That's incredible. I really like this packaging. But as always, I don't keep the paper packaging around it. That's just me. Oh, that is nice. Look at that. You got that alligator print and just all the details on it is so beautiful. And then we just push this side in and lift up. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm blocking out my light. So I'm getting darker and darker as we go. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those colors. Oh, we are definitely going to play with this in just a few moments. We're just going to open up the last thing that I got. Oh, listen to that. Just here. Listen to that. Very nice. And then the last item, you can hear them rolling around a bit. And I got the mini lippy set. Oh yeah, they're all they're all over the place. Let's put them away. Alrighty, so there it is in all its beautiful glory. These guys won't stay in here, but I'm definitely keeping the packaging for this guy right here. It's very nice and I really like it. And poof! There's more tissue paper. So I'm just gonna take a few moments, clean everything up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started with the try-ons, see how the new product works, and do a beautiful look with this brand new collection. I'm super excited to enjoy the heck out of it. Alright, so we're gonna start with the Blood Money palette, and we're gonna go ahead and do a really nice look. Now, black card limit is really interesting. I wanted to show that because like when it's straight, when you look straight down at it, it looks like it's just silver flecks, but when you look at it from the side, you can see the green reflect in that black matte shadow. It has a green sparkle in it that kind of shifts from silver to green, which is really kind of cool. So I just wanted to mention that. And the first color that we're gonna go in with is Mint Condition. I like going in with a lighter color in the high crease, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in, okay? So I'm just gonna go in right on the end. Oh wow, that's really pretty. It's going super vibrant. And then the next color I'm gonna go in with is Jaded, just below the crease and in the outer corner. And there's Jaded. These are so pretty. And then I'm gonna go in with Persuasion, which is this color right here. A nice dark brown with a tint of green, almost kind of like a khaki for that outer corner once again. Kind of really falling in love with this palette. It's so beautiful. I do want to show that there is a little bit of fallout in the pan. It's really powdery, but that's kind of what makes them so blendable, so really easily blendable. It makes it really, really nice. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease right now. Then I'm gonna go from dark to light all the way in with some of the beautiful shimmers and glitters that are in this palette. All right, so there's my cut creases. How do you like them? Yeah. Anyway, so I always like to do a gradient. That's like kind of my thing that I really like doing, a gradient from dark to light with the shimmers, and I do a whole bunch of different ones. I'm gonna start off with this one right here, Secret Stash, and then I'm gonna go to Emerald Estate, and then up here to Poison Ivy before finishing off with Divine Intervention. Divine Intervention is going to be the inner highlight and the brow highlight. So let's go ahead and get started. Secret Stash is super, it's almost creamy. It's so soft. It's really, really nice. I really, really like this shadow. I'm gonna go in with Emerald Estate. Wow, Emerald Estate, it's really, really pretty. I'm definitely going in several times with it and trying to blend it in nicely to Secret Stash. The color is beautiful. Very, very pretty. I really, really like Emerald Estate. It's definitely going to be a staple this holiday season. Now I'm gonna go in with Poison Ivy. Now I'm going in with a little brush and just blending my crease section really nicely. I'm gonna go on the bottom lash line, and I'm gonna go ahead and do Crocodile Tears. That's this one right here. And then I'm just gonna lighten it up right here on the lower lash line with Chameleon Fetish. This one right here. And now I'm taking this little brush right here. I got it in a makeup kit palette drugstore thing, and I'm gonna go in with Divine Intervention for that inner corner and brow bone. Wow. Oh wow, that is such, like, it's a lot different than I thought it was going to be. Alrighty, so that's the entire, well, not the entire palette, but I used several shadows within the Blood Money palette, and I think this turned out really beautifully. Divine Intervention is really interesting. It's this white one right here, and it's so weird because in a lot of pictures, go on Instagram, look at the pictures of the Blood Money palette, and you'll see that it almost looks pink in the pictures, but in person, it's like a sharp white. And then when you put it on, it's got this beautiful, absolutely beautiful tint of green, shimmer, glitter. I don't know what you want to call it, but it goes on really nicely and gives a beautiful shine to it in a wonderful green color, and I'm absolutely in love. So now we are going to go on with the eyeliner. We're going to try this brand new product from Jeffree Star. Brand new product, new formula, specifically for an eyeliner, and I'm gonna do a wear test. After we're all done, I'm gonna do a quick little update in like 6-10 hours, I don't know, whenever I decide to get ready to take off my makeup, and I'll let you guys know how long this sticks on. I use it for my waterline. That's the main thing that I use almost any eyeliner for, and the reason for that is I'm not good at doing wing liners, so I only use these in my waterline. Give it just a little something different, and a lot of times it washes right out of my waterline. Which one did I use? I used the Hocus Pocus from ColourPop, the purple one, and it almost like instantly it was no longer in my waterline. I used the Urban Decay 24/7 yesterday, and literally I put it on less than an hour later, and like the outer corner was my regular skin color waterline. So we'll see how this goes, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on, and then I'll go ahead and clean up everything. Oh, that's very nice. Nice little tip there, and it just twists up. Oh, and it goes way far down, so that was opening it up and having it at this tip range was literally for display, which is nice, but I'll definitely be protecting it by letting it go all the way under in the future. I'm going to use a different mirror for this because I like to use both hands when I'm doing my waterline. So you can see the eyes before. I already put a little bit on right there, and now we're gonna go all the way in. And I'm just going to do a quick clip in and out, and I'll show you the final result. So I'm doing a quick stop in between. I've done this eye, and now I'm gonna do this eye, but you can kind of see the difference between the two eyes right now. So there's the one that's done, and the one that's not. Alrighty everyone, so I just finished off my eyes, did a little bit of cleanup, a nice, beautiful, beautiful green look. I'm loving this palette so dang much, and I'm not sure exactly how I feel about the eyeliner. It's not as opaque as I originally thought it would be. It's kind of a very, it does color the waterline, but maybe it's not exactly for the waterline. Not sure how I'll feel about this. It does go on really nicely. I didn't have much trouble, but it's kind of sheer. It's not, like I said, it's not as opaque as I thought it would be, but maybe that's why it'll stay on longer. Let's go on to the lips. So right now, throughout this video so far, I've been wearing Hidden Hills from the Nude Vault collection. It was one of the exclusives in that, and hopefully he will release the full size very, very soon, so anybody that didn't get the Vault or doesn't want to get 25 minis can get the full size. I think this color is beautiful, but I want to try some of these lips. I think I'm gonna go in with Crocodile Tears and High Society to do that highlight in the middle, and then we're gonna top it off with Gloss Peach Price Tag. I like opening it up and then mixing it a little bit when they're brand new. And now I'm gonna go in with High Society. And now I'm gonna let it dry. So yeah, these two was Crocodile Tears and High Society. And now that this is dry, I'm gonna go in with Peach Price Tag. This beautiful gloss. I love the way that it looked, like the coloring, but I also liked when he swatched it, the tint to it was more me than some of the other ones were. So I just decided to get this one gloss. Alrighty, so that is the finished look, and this gloss is beautiful. I think this will be a really nice gloss for a more neutral look too, and just to have that little bit of a pink tint with green shimmer if you're doing just a kind of light look versus this super green look. This is kind of like Green Lantern vibes, you know? I love Green Lantern. It's one of my two favorite comic book heroes is The Flash and Green Lantern. And I have a couple of different cosplays that, well, I have one main cosplay that I did for Green Lantern and I absolutely love it. So that is everything for today. I really enjoyed filming this, playing with all my new Blood Money makeup collection. I'm super excited to have these greens that, I mean, come on, they're absolutely beautiful. I'm going to have a blast with these. We're going to do a couple of different looks and you'll see different things on my Instagram, so go ahead and check me out there. At A Beautiful Healthy Day, and I hope you guys all have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic, absolutely incredible day. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all on the next one. Bye! Hello everyone, I'm back for that wear test. I've changed my lips a little bit. I'm wearing, what am I wearing? Let's take it out real quick and see. I'm wearing Bankroll, baby, Bankroll. I'm holding you handheld right now because I put all my other equipment away. So this is longer than I planned. Anyway, so I'm back for that wear test. I'm not sure I'm a huge fan of this eyeliner. It pretty much disappeared. You can see like on this eye, it's completely gone. I reapplied on this eye literally like 2 minutes ago. And the reason for that is because I wanted to see if maybe I was doing it wrong. If it goes on stronger, it is stronger than it was when I first put it on. So maybe there's like a slight film that you have to get past when you're first using the pencil for the first time. So maybe it'll last longer in the future, but today it just kind of disappeared. I finished the video back around noon, maybe 1 o'clock, and it is going on 7:30 right now. So it's been about 6-7 hours, and yeah, look at that eye. That's brand new. That's what it looks like. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'll definitely be wearing it in the future. Here's some pictures of all the different lips, and I will see you guys later. Bye!